Before using the oxygen concentrator, let's get ourselves familiarized with its main parts. Top portion houses the on-off switch, timer setting switches, alarm indicator LEDs and display panel. On the right side, there is flow meter unit with flow indicator and flow control valve, which can be used to adjust the oxygen flow. In the center, there is a humidifier bottle for filling in water during operation. The humidifier bottle can be accessed by opening the transparent cabin cover in the front. The unit also has a storage cabin on the top, which can be opened by flip opening the top panel. The oxygen pipe and nebulizer pipes are kept inside the storage cabin. Finally, at the right side, you find the output oxygen unit with separate ports for oxygen supply and nebulizer applications. Having familiarized with the main parts, we shall now start using the unit. Open the front cabin cover and take out the humidifier bottle by unscrewing it in the anti-clockwise direction. Fill clean water, preferably distilled water, in the humidifier bottle. While filling, ensure to consider the maximum and minimum levels marked in the bottle. After filling water, fit back the humidifier bottle in the unit by rotating it in the clockwise direction. Ensure bottle is tightly fitted to avoid oxygen leakages during operation. Close the front cabin door. Plug in the power cable of the oxygen concentrator and switch on the power supply. Press the power button to switch on the unit. All indicator LEDs glow for a second and green LED glows continuously, showing unit is ready for operation. Hello message appears on the display unit. Unit starts to deliver oxygen and display unit shows the elapsed time. Adjust the flow control valve to set the flow at the desired value as prescribed. The float valve on the flow meter unit shows the oxygen flow rate, which can be set between 0.5 to 5 liters per minute as required. Now we shall connect the oxygen discharge tube to the concentrator. The tube has two ends. The first end is to be connected to the outlet port of the oxygen concentrator. The other end has a nasal cannula which can be given to the patient for inhaling oxygen-enriched air. Connect the discharge tube to the oxygen outlet port with the unit under operation and give the nasal cannula portion to the patient for facilitating supplementary oxygen supply. Ensure the tubing has no blocks or kinks during the entire operation. For administering oxygen supply for fixed time periods, timer setting can be also done by using the timer buttons on the concentrator. This shall auto shut down the unit after the set time period. Further, the unit may be switched off by pressing the power button and be kept ready for next usage. Let us now go through some safety points to be followed while using oxygen concentrator. Oxygen concentrator is to be used as an oxygen supplement only and not as a life support device. It should not be used near flammable items as there is risk of fire due to oxygen-rich environment. Oxygen concentrator should be used in open areas so that the air openings of the unit is never blocked. Never allow hazardous items as open flames, lighted cigarettes and other sources of ignition near the working unit. Spontaneous and violent explosion may occur if oil, grease or hydrocarbon vapors are exposed to oxygen under pressure. Finally, it should be remembered that oxygen therapy with concentrator should be administered only after seeking expert advice or under medical guidelines.